Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving into Morant Bay. This is a Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. But today I want to talk to you guys about the Spark program. Now, I want to ask you guys a question. Why do you think the Jamaican government did not use China Harbour Engineering Company, the largest contractor in Jamaica? Why didn't they use them to do the Spark program? Now, the Spark program is a $40 billion roadworks program. It's going to be the largest roadworks program in Jamaican history. $40 billion to be spent over 2 years to fix up to 2,000 roads. Now, the government has gone the route of getting bids internationally. They have gotten 10 persons who are interested, 6 local and 4 international. But the government is advertising internationally. But we have to ask a question. Why didn't they just make China Harbour Engineering Company the main contractor for the program, for the Spark program? I find it very strange that they went the route of international bids, basically, because every project that has been given to China Harbour Engineering Company, they have completed. Even this road, this road was delayed, but it still was done by CHEC. And CHEC, the parent company for CHEC, is the 3rd largest construction company in the world and the largest highway construction company in the world. You're not going to get anybody bigger than them to come into Jamaica. The China Construction Communication Group is the 3rd largest construction company in the world, and they are the largest road or highway construction company in the world, and that is China Harbour Engineering Company's parent company. CHEC is a subsidiary of this company. So I just find it a bit odd that the government went this route. So guys, what do you think? Now, the only thing I can think of is maybe CHEC is overstretched with all the work they're doing in Jamaica. But they could easily bring in more resources. But I don't know. Guys, what do you think? Why do you think the government is going this route to bring in more international contractors? Now, one thing is certain. The local contractors would not be able to do it. So we know that it will be too much work for them, and it might never finish. But why not go to CHEC? That's the part that I just don't get. Why not work something out with CHEC? Let CHEC bring in all the resources they need and do the work. But let's see what happens. I mean, the deadline for the bid submissions is the end of May, and I think it's by September they want the project to basically start. So whoever is going to get the contracts would be announced by then. So let's see. I mean, but as of the 24th, which was Friday gone, there were 10 contractors, 6 local, 4 international. So guys, let me know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.